everyone, welcome back to my channel Malini's Gallery, and today I am going to show you how I created this look. So right now I am going for a wedding reception और उसके लिए मैं इतनी तैयार हुई हूँ और मैंने ये लुक कैसे क्रिएट किया है I'm gonna show you. So let's get ready with me. So first up I'm gonna moisturize my skin with this Joy Skin Fruit Naturals. So it's a massage cream and it's very good moisturizer actually, and I'm gonna apply it. So next I'm gonna prime my skin with aloe vera gel. It's a very good skin hydrator also, so I'm gonna do it. So for foundation I'm using Personi Glam Up. So now I'm going to conceal my eyes. I'm going to use my new mask contour palette, and I'm going to use this shade because I'm more of a warm tone rather than a pinky tone. That's why I'm going to use this one. So I'm quickly going to apply concealer. Now I'm gonna use a damp sponge to blend this concealer. So now I'm gonna do the eyebrows. But first let's put like eyeshadow pencil. I'm now taking a sponge and I'm going to just swap it up over here. Take my contour palette again and shape my eyebrows a little bit actually. To blend it with again the damp sponge. So now I'm going to take a powder brush and slowly going to remove this. Wait, now I'm gonna the brown one. Yeah, this is gonna work. Dab it to work it out. Let's just see. Okay. So now I'm going to use this blusher. So, transition shade, this one actually. And now I'm gonna take a flat brush, this one. I'm gonna do my crease actually. Blend it with a blending brush like this. I'm going to take this one, the black shimmer one, and now quickly now I'm going to take this shade with my fingertip and I'm just gonna apply it over here. Just like that. Lighting brush and take this rolled gold shade and put it on my cheeks. You can see it gives me now we are going to the liner. So for the liner we are using Blue Heaven. So I'm going to use use MAC false lash effect, or let's just so for kajal, I'm going to use Blue Heaven Soft Kajal, and I'm quickly going to do my lower lash line. I'm using a flat brush, and I am taking the purple one, this one, and I'm just gonna apply it under my eye. I'm going for a Kylie Jenner brown lip shade, which I am going to line my lips with. So now I'm going to use Mars matte lipstick in shade pink one. And the rose gold color, the same one which I used. So now my makeup is done, and you can see how I look. So for jewelry, I added this choker. So for earrings, I'm going to wear this pair. Actually, it has gold in it, and so I'm gonna tie my hair in half, and then I'll look like this. I'm gonna show my final look at the end of the video. Till then, bye bye.